Can a diabetic eat beets is good or bad for diabetes? Although beets have its sweet flavor, it is safe for diabetics. Beets even has its beneficial value for diabetics as listed below. 1. Safe for blood sugar level. Every food contains sugar has its glycemic index. The lower glycemic index is the better for diabetics. It is because the low glycemic index will reduce the risk of the raising blood sugar. Is every foods with the sweet taste also has high glycemic index? The answer is no. We know that beets have its sweet and earthy taste. However, the glycemic index of beets is considered to be medium. It means that consuming beet won't immediately raise the blood sugar. 2. Control blood pressure. Most of the diabetics patients also have hypertension problem. And of course, it worsens the patient's health condition. On the other hand, beet is known to be able to lower the blood pressure. A study proved that drinking beet juice is able to significantly reduce the blood pressure. Thus, that's one of health benefits of beets for diabetics. 3. Avoid the formation of kidney stones. It is common for diabetics to have kidney complication problem. Beets contain some substances which are able to inhibit the kidney stone formation. 4. Boost blood circulation. The dietary fiber and micronutrients in beet enable our body to improve the blood circulation. The improved circulation is able to help the delivery of glucose to the tissue faster. Hence, it enables the body to produce less insulin, to metabolize food into nutrition and regulate the blood sugar. Besides beneficial for blood sugar, the improved blood circulation is also beneficial for brain. 5. High of potassium. Based on a study, low level of potassium attributes to the high risk of diabetes. Based on the nutritional information from USDA, beet contains high level of potassium. Therefore, consuming beet will be beneficial for people with diabetes, particularly type 2 diabetes. 6. Provides ample of fiber. As we know, dietary fiber is very good for our health. The high level of fiber in beet also gives the amazing benefits for diabetics. The high fiber food usually contain less calorie. In addition, fiber is amazingly able to send signal to our body. This is the command to be more responsive to insulin and suppress glucose creation within the liver. 7. Helps to eat less. Besides controlling the glucose production in liver, the dietary fiber in beet is also able to make us full any longer after eat it. It will make us less craving of food. As we know, diabetics should tightly control the carbohydrate intakes since it may raise the blood sugar. 8. Source of magnesium. Based on our research, magnesium is able to do so many things for us. It is able to maintain muscle, keep the nervous system work well, regulate the blood pressure, prevents heart attack. In addition, it has ability to regulate blood sugar level. 9. Source of selenium. Selenium is a micronutrient which acts as antioxidant. It is very helpful to fight many diseases. Based on study in Harvard and Union University, Korea, the high selenium level is able to reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. The reduction of diabetes risk related to the selenium level is about 25%. As mentioned above, beet contains selenium in relatively significant amount for a micronutrient. 10. Reduce nerve damage. Diabetes is sometimes able to cause some nerve damage. In this case, beet is able to provide antioxidant which help diabetic to reduce the nerve damage. The symptoms of nerve damage are usually in a form of pain and numbness in hands and feet. 11. Improves endurance during exercise. Taking regular exercise is very important, particularly for diabetic patients. However, some patients are reluctant to take regular exercise because of tiredness and the post-workout pain. On the other hand, those problems will not appear if patients take regular exercise. In addition, beet juice is able to improve the performance of muscle to absorb more oxygen during the workout session and add the endurance. Beet juice will also relieve the tiredness after the workout session. In the other words, beet is beneficial for fitness. Cautions in consuming beets for diabetics. As we know, beet contains high level of sugar. Although it is stated that the natural sugar in beet is safe for diabetics, they still need to be aware of the intake. It is better to consume steamed or light roasted beet instead of fully cooled beet. The cooking process may increase the sugar in beet, which worsens the blood sugar. Not only the flesh, the layer right under the skin of beet is beneficial for health. The beneficial can be taken only if diabetics freshly consume the beet. They can grate the beet into salad or simply make it into juice. Therefore, taking beet juice twice a week will maintain patient's health. In addition, it helps patient recover from tiredness. Nutritionist also suggests combining the beet juice with the other vegetable to add the nutritional value. However, it's better for diabetic to consult the doctor before taking beet regularly. The recommendation of how much intake required by the patients may vary based on their blood sugar level and the general health condition, with health benefits of beets for diabetics.
Take me in small, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you know.